Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a VLC Media Player user, you're in for a treat today. VLC has just released some brand new features in 2025 that are going to totally upgrade your media experience. So, grab your headphones, and let's dive right in. Let's start with feature number 1. Feature name: the brand new AI-powered subtitle syncing. This is a game changer for anyone who watches foreign films or TV shows. No more hunting for the perfect subtitle file that matches your video. VLC now uses AI to automatically adjust subtitle timings, so everything stays perfectly in sync. Just hit play, and VLC will take care of the rest. No more manual tweaking of subtitle delays. It's smooth, accurate, and a huge time saver. Next up, feature number 2. Enhanced Audio Equalizer. In 2025, VLC's audio capabilities get a major upgrade with a brand new equalizer that lets you fine-tune your audio playback like never before. Whether you're into bass-heavy beats or crystal-clear vocals, VLC now offers more controls to customize your listening experience. You can easily adjust the sliders to tweak frequencies and create the perfect sound for whatever you're listening to. It's a simple but powerful addition that audiophiles will love. And finally, feature number 3. Improved streaming support with built-in screen recording. VLC now allows you to stream from more sources, like social media and live feeds, with zero lag. Plus, the new screen recording feature lets you capture your screen while streaming or watching videos, all without needing any third-party software. It's perfect for creating tutorials, saving live streams, or just capturing a cool moment. All this without leaving VLC's interface. Just look at how much VLC has evolved. These 3 features, AI-powered subtitle syncing, the new audio equalizer, and built-in streaming and recording, take this already incredible media player to a whole new level. If you haven't updated yet, make sure you download the latest version of VLC to take advantage of all these new tools. Trust me, once you try them out, you won't want to go back. That's it for today. What do you think of these new features? Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tech update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.